Hello, Katie. First, thank you for your feedback. Mm, yes, I'm kind have a problem of the voice the th sound. But initially I have a sense of making different position. I mean, the voice and unvoiced th sound should have the different position. Of the tongue. I mean, the tongue should have the different position. Initially, I thought like this, but now when I go back to review the rituals video, I mean, how to make the th, the voice and unvoiced sound. So the tongue, now I realize that the tongue is the same position, just the difference is the difference just the voice and unvoiced, but the tongue position is the same. So now I'm gonna try again. Hope this time I can do better. Okay, let me get started.
Another,
Another. So the tongue, whatever the voiced or unvoiced th sound, all of them have to come out through the teeth. And now I got it. Just relax.
another,
Another.
breathing,
Breathing.
brother,
Brother.
clothing,
Clothing.
either,
Either.
father,
Father.
fathom,
Fathom.
feather,
Feather.
leather,
Leather.
mother,
Mother.
rather,
Rather. 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 I'm kind.
seventh,
Maybe I have tiny problem on rather. Maybe the R sound. Maybe I try. Maybe this time I got it.
rather,
Rather. Rather.
slither,
Slither.
slither,
Slither.
smooth,
Smooth.
smother,
Smother.
van,
Then.
that,
That.
the,
The.
them,
Them.
their,
Their.
themselves,
Themselves.
then,
Then.
there,
Their.
therefore,
Therefore.
they,
They.
together,
Together.
thus,
Thus.
truth,
No, this is not. This is unvoiced. Okay. So let me try again. Oh yeah. By the way, for the voice th sound, when I watching the Richard's video, like how to make the th consonants, and for voice the word, there are difference, like short word and long word like the very tip just comes throughout a little bit is enough. Like the there. Just I mean the very tip of the tongue just come out through the teeth a little bit. Maybe I hope I got that point. Okay, let me try again. Another. Breathing. Brother. Clothing. Either. Feather. Leather. Rather. Slither. Smother. Together. Okay, that's all. Hope I'm doing well.